This place is far. Are we really going to sing there?
I think so. It's gonna be fun.
Yes. Miss Carter said we will perform for the children.
Really? That's so exciting. I like performing. It's fun.
Everyone listen, please. Today we visit the orphan school. We are here to share a good moment.
Anna and Chloe will perform together.
That's us. Yes.
He looks sad.
Maybe he is shy.
It's okay. We can be friends.
Come on, girls. The stage is ready.
Yay, let's go. I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Just a small show.
Heart on beat. Feel the feet. Hands up high.
Eyes on me. We don't need a big TV. No crown or stage that's tall. Just a room, and that is all.
Smile a little.
Stay a little.
We'll be all right. Together now. Feel the sound inside.
Shine a little. That's our light.
That's it. It's okay.
The boy you saw, his story is different. His mother passed away when he was very young. And his father went abroad many years ago. We take care of him here. Sometimes music reminds him of old memories.
I didn't know.
I thought they would clap more.
Me too. It's okay.
Maybe we didn't help.
We tried our best. But we can do more. Evening time.
It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. Yeah, I love it.
Anna?
Oh, hi, Peter.
Hey, Anna. Nice to see you.
You too. How have you been?
Great. Just enjoying the park.
You look sad today.
I am. I was worried about my test.
I'm here for you.
We visited an orphan school. The children were so happy to see us. They had the biggest smiles.
We sang and danced. We sang and danced.
How do you know?
They didn't clap. Some of them left. There was one boy.
He just looked down. I wanted him to smile. But I didn't know how.
If I were him, I might not like singing.
Really?
But magic is different.
Magic?
Yes, Anna, real magic.
Yes, magic makes people smile.
What is it?
Look at this.
The Little Book of Fun Magic.
Watch this trick.
That trick was amazing.
I knew you'd love it. I learned it from this book.
Wow, can I see? There are many tricks inside?
Yes, lots of fun tricks.
Really? Like what?
I'll show you.
What's this one?
That's the best trick. Why?
Because a rabbit appears.
Everyone loves rabbits.
What if we do magic for that boy? That's a great idea.
Not singing this time.
Just magic.
And fun. Next day. This is Chloe's house. Hey, you came! Hi, Chloe. Hey, Anna!
What's up, guys?
That's Snowy. He looks adorable. Snowy is very smart. Good boy, Snowy!
Really?
Watch this. Snowy, sit! Wow!
Snowy, jump. That's perfect for a show.
Wait, I have an idea. Not just magic. A circus! A real circus? A small circus for the children.
That's a great idea.
Yes, the kids will love it.
If we make a circus, we need practice.
I can help with Snowy's tricks.
I'll prepare magic tricks.
And we need a dance too. I can do ribbon dance.
Perfect. That
That was amazing! Practice starts! Ready, let's go! Whee! This is fun! Watch this move. That looks beautiful.
Now my magic turn. One, free!
Snowy, jump!
This is going to be amazing.
But we need people to come.
Posters! Yes, circus posters. Great idea, Chloe. Let's add clowns. Let's draw Snowy on it. And Magic Hat. Add ribbons too. Perfect poster. It's incredible. The lion looks so real. We make a great team. Next mission, tickets.
I'll help sell them.
Let's go around the park. Yeah, we can show everyone our posters.
And our tickets. It's gonna be awesome. What's this?
It's the circus. It's coming to town. Wow, look at the elephants. A circus show tonight. Really? A circus? Yes, see the poster?
Wow, so cool!
The circus is coming. Really?
Yes! Magic dance and dog tricks!
It's working!
Yay! The circus!
Evening arrives. Perfect! The circus is almost ready. I'll put up the last poster. Tonight will be special. Time to set the stage.
Okay, let's do this!
Lights are ready. It's perfect.
Today is the big day!
Are you ready for magic?
Snowy, show them your tricks.
Yay! Go Snowy!
Wow! Amazing!
My ribbon dance will start. Magic time. Abracadabra. Wow.
I want to try too.
You can do it, David.
Okay, I'll try magic.
You did it! Look, the rabbit appears. Now Snowy's final trick! Ribbon finale! Everyone watch! Here we go! The big finale! Snowy, your turn! Wow! Magic time! Ribbon dance! Everyone clap! Watch the disappearing hat! Look, the rabbit! I like this. Whoop. Everyone, ribbons up!
Magic sparkles everywhere!
This is amazing! David, come up!
Really? Me? Yes! You'll help us end the show!
Ready? Amazing! We did it!
The show is about to end.
Magic time! Everyone, watch closely!
What's he doing?
Snowy, your turn! Ribbon finale!
You made everyone smile.
Thank you, I'll never forget this.
We did it together!